How to hide author name in WordPress posts. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is an open source content management system that enables users to create, manage, and maintain websites with ease. And in start hiding the author name in WordPress posts, the first thing that we need to do is simply go to our WordPress.com and simply sign in our account in here. And you can start navigating on the left side panel, so I'm the option to navigate. We have here dashboard, posts, media, pages, comments, and in those options, the next thing that we need to do is to simply click the post options in order to start editing or hiding the author name in our WordPress post. So from here, we can simply click this all posts and it will show you the list of this post. And to view it, just click this view option and it will show you that this author name has now been added in here. And since we want to hide this, we can simply right click on it and you should see on the pop-up window an inspect option, and when you try to click on it, it will show you this code on the right side panel in here under these elements. When you try to click the author name, it will show you on the right side panel the kind of code and algorithm it contains on this post. And in order to start hiding it, we can simply add here additional CSS code in order to start hiding the author name. So we can simply close this coding by simply clicking or inspect section by simply clicking this X icon on the top right. And after doing that, we can now proceed by simply clicking the customize icon or option on the top panel in here. So when I click this customize, then you will automatically be directed on this page. And as you can see, it says here that you're currently customizing. And on the left side panel, just scroll down until you find this additional CSS. So kind of click on it, and from here it will show you some of the rules of adding a CSS. But below, just simply enter here dot and then author, followed by entering the bracket in here, open and close bracket. Then click enter on your keyboard, and after that, from here on the second part, just enter here display and click this one display and enter a colon and select or enter here after that none. Then click this none or select it, and after that you can now proceed by simply clicking the publish button on the top panel to see the changes if the name of the author has now been hide. And as you can see, there is no name of author in here since it has been hide using the additional code that we just entered. However, as you can see, there's still a word here that says buy, and in order to start deleting it, we can also click again the customize button on the top panel, and from here just click additional CSS once again and simply enter an additional code. But this time all you need to do is simply enter dot, then byline, and enter open and close bracket and space on it. And in here, just simply click display and select this one result and enter colon and select none. And you could also enter here a semicolon on each. And after that, you should see on the right side panel that the context by has now been erased or hide, and you can simply publish it to save the changes. But overall, that is just how to hide author name in WordPress posts.